Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can stream 1080p on Streamlabs. So first step, you need to download the Streamlabs and open the Streamlabs. So once you open, you simply need to click on this settings icon, and once you are here you can see different options. You simply need to click on output, and from here you select the video bitrate to 2500, and here you can see encoder, and from here you need to select the hardware. So once you complete that, you simply need to click on video, and here you can see base resolution. You simply need to move that to 9020 into 1080, and output resolution into 9020 into 1080, and then you can increase the FPS value to 60 and click on done. So once you complete that, after that you can easily use that and stream in 1080p on Streamlabs. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.